Greetings. Once you select the greeting option, you will get bunch of categories of various occasions, festival, purpose and events. You are free to select one from it to create your greeting. After you select your category,
Here, ready designs of greetings are available. You may check a full screen preview of designs one by one or can choose to have a list view. Select and download the design you like.
you can select one greeting from the available designs. Once you select a suitable design, you have the option to customize it according to you by selecting the personalize option. Here you can mention the name of the person you want to send the greeting. Also, you can upload the photograph of that person to whom you are sending. Simply select the image from your phone gallery or by capturing their photograph instantly. You have option to choose the best suitable title for your greeting from the huge collection of title library. Title library contains the titles in different languages. Text can be changed or replaced of your own. You can change the color and font size of it. Additionally, you can slip in your special message too, in case of a personal greeting, or have the option to copy the message and quotes from the internet or any of your documents and paste it to add some personal touch in your greeting. You can change the background of the greeting by selecting one design from the given library, or can upload suitable image from your phone gallery, or by instantly capturing an image a background can be replaced. After customizing your design, you can share it with your customers or prospects through email or share option.